Good morning, dear children. Today we will start lesson 8, Tux Paint demonstration. So this is your desktop. Here is the icon of Tux Paint. You have to download it first. Okay, after downloading, the icon is here. Tux Paint, I am clicking on it. Now this screen will appear. And here are the toolbars, drawing canvas, color palette and brushes. Now this is the toolbar. Here is the option of paint. We will click on this. Okay. Now here is a selector. Here are the brushes. You can choose any size of the brush. I'll click on this, then it will be like this. Here is the, if I change the size, if I choose this one, bigger one, it will appear like this. If I choose this one, it will appear like this. Okay, so these are the brushes size. If I want to delete this, then I'll choose the option eraser. Okay, eraser option is there. I'll click on it and then I'll drag it on the drawing canvas and it is clean now. Now again we will choose paint. Then these are the brushes. Here is a color palette. Okay, if I choose this red color brush, then see the color of the brush. I'll choose a size, this one. See, it is red in color now. If I choose this color, purple color, then this is like this. Okay, so from the color palette you can choose any color. Alright, now if you want to remove this, if you want to erase all this, either use eraser button. Here is the eraser button. Otherwise you can also do undo. Undo option is also there. Undo is for whatever you have done, it will be undone. I'll click on this. See, first the purple colored brush mark has gone. Now if I press on undo again, that red color had also gone. Now let's see about the shapes. I'll click on shapes. Then I'll go to, here are two lines. Whatever you choose from the tools, the selector will show the similar icons. Okay, if I choose paint, you will see brushes here, size of the brushes. And if I choose shapes, you will see different shapes here. Okay, so I'll choose this rectangle. One row, this is for unfilled and this row is for filled. Okay, so I'll click on circle, then drag on the drawing canvas and see we have got a filled circle. Now I'll click on unfilled circle and I'll get this kind of shape. Okay, you can draw as many circles as you want. Okay, so this is all about the Tux Paint. First of all, choose paint option and take brush size, this one. Then go to shapes and take the shape of a circle, filled circle. Okay, shapes, then from the selector, filled circle, and I'm choosing here the color yellow. Okay, so in the drawing canvas, I'm drawing the circle. You can increase or decrease the size. So now I'm releasing the icon now. See, we have made a circle now. Now click on shapes again and take filled circle again. Okay, now here I am choosing red color because I want to make the eyes of a smiley. So drag it here like this and drag it here like this. Okay, so we have made 2 eyes of the smiley. Now choose the option paint and take the brush size, this one. Okay, now we will make the mouth of the smiley. This is the free hand. So this is your smiley. Thank you. Have a nice day.